friends, this is Vijay and welcome to Competitors World. Competitors World को आपण मन को स्वागत करछि. So friends, आपण माने thumbnail तो देखि पारथिबे आसुछि secretariat ASO. So a question must be arising in the mind of the aspirants whether the secretariat ASO is coming or not. Okay. So here I would like to make you clarified that this news is 100% true. Okay. So ASO is coming. ASO secretariat ASO examination ର notification खूब जल्दी आसीबे आपण माने देखिया पई पाइबे. So I would like to tell you that you will find the notification within 2 months. 2 months ଭିତରେ by the end of September August end ସୁଦ୍ଧା you will find the notification on the website. Okay. आपण माने वेबसाइट रे नोटिफिकेशन देखिया पई पाइबे. वर्तमान तो आपण माने हाई कोर्ट एसो पई पढुथिबे. But the most demanding and most awaiting job is for the secretariat ASO. Okay. So many students were waiting for this secretariat ASO and it's finally coming. But the post is within 210 the 210 ভিতরে রହୁଛି post. But if you will try and you will learn, if you will study hard, then anything is possible. You can definitely achieve your goal. No issues, no worries. So आमे देखिबा secretariat ASO भितर आज टिके विषय आज टिके कथा हवा. So secretariat ASO. Okay. So this is the most demanding job nowadays in Odisha. And if I like to tell you, this is the one day job. Okay, one day. आपण मानकु गोटे थर ही एग्जाम दवा पे पड़िबो. Then you will sit for the skill test. आपण माने after you qualify the written examination, गोटे written, no prelims, sorry, no mains, only prelims. And after you qualify the prelims, that is called main exam. So gote exam qualify kale you will sit for the that is your skill test. Okay. So how to prepare for ASO? ମୁଁ आपरे ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ separate video बनेबी, but today I would like to tell you how to prepare. केमती आपण prepare करबे. Roughly जदि ମୁଁ कहिबी how to prepare, we should not wait for the notification to come. Before that we should start our preparation. As we are sure that ASO is coming. Okay. आमे जेहेतु निश्चिंत अच्छे जे एसो आसीबो, then why should we wait for the notification? आमे notification को कौन पे अपेक्षा करियो? We should definitely start our preparation right now. So how to prepare? केमती prepare करियो? So basically 4 subjects are given importance. Okay. So first one is that is your English. Number 1 English. Number 2 that is Odia. Your number 3 that is your math. Number 4 is your GK section. Okay. So चारटा जिनस आपण मान को पढ़ाई में पड़िबो. एठी बेसिकली इंग्लिश, ओडिया, मैथ आउ जीके. So how to prepare for that? So in math and GK, math, GK, this is everyone is preparing for this. Okay. This is not the cause of headache. एटा मुंड व्यथार कारण नुहे. The main sole cause of headache is your English and Odia. Okay. So many students are not confident enough for these two subjects, that is your English and Odia. Okay. English और Odia को नहीं कि बहुत पिला worried अछंती. So these are the two subjects you need to focus much more. Okay. One is your Odia and another English. Odia ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ହେଉଛି English. English or Odia. So if you want to crack the secretariat ASO examination, so you must be competent enough with these two subjects, that is your Odia and English. Okay. So if you are not preparing well for these two subjects, then you are out of race. Okay. So you need to focus more on Odia and English. Okay. So what we have to do, you have to read some basic books of Odia grammar if you have forgotten that you have read in school. Okay. And for English you have to learn some basic skills of English grammar so that it will be easier for you to crack this examination, the most demanding examination. And one thing I would like to tell you that I am starting a series for English. Okay. English grammar by मोर series start करछि. and you can visit my channel, subscribe this, and you can also attend the class regularly. Okay, here I will cover each and every bit of the syllabus that is regarding to both High Court and Secretariat ASO. My focus will be given to the ASO examination. Students who are preparing for the SI examination also can visit this channel to watch, as English is being asked there in the SI examination. And one thing, that start your preparation right now. ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ହିଁ ପ୍ରିପାରେସନ୍ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ କରିବାର ଅଛି। ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ମୁଁ କଥା କହୁଛି, ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଯେଉଁ 400 ମାର୍କସର ରହିବ, ଏଠି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ପଚାରିଯିବ 400 ମାର୍କସର क्वेश्चन पचारिଯିବ 400 ମାର୍କସର। ଓକେ, ସୋ ଏଠି ରହିବ 400 ମାର୍କସର ରହିବ ବେସିକାଲି 400 ମାର୍କରୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କେତେ ସ୍କୋର କରିବା ପାଇଁ ପଡ଼ିବ, ହାଉ ମଚ୍ ମାର୍କସ ୟୁ ହାଭ୍ ଟୁ ସ୍କୋର ଫର୍ ଦିସ୍। ଓକେ, ଇଫ୍ ଆଇ ୱିଲ୍ ଟେଲ୍ ୟୁ, ଦେନ୍ ୟୁ ହାଭ୍ ଟୁ ସ୍କୋର ନଟ୍ ଲେସ୍ ଦେନ୍ 250 in order to get a seat। ଯଦି ଆପଣ 250 ଉପରକୁ ସ୍କୋର କରିବେ, then somehow I can assure you that you are going to grasp a seat in the Secretariat ASO examination. Otherwise, you are out of the race, having seen the vacancy position. Okay. So for that reason, so last year general cutoff 235 around ଯାଇଥିଲା. So for this year, I can easily say that not less than 250-60 ତଳକୁ ଯିବନି, because the vacancy is very much less in compared to the previous year. So this was all about focus on English, Odia, math and GK. So basically you have to focus on English and Odia because you are not acquainted with this, because you are preparing for the examinations in which GK and math is basically asked. So for that reason, this should be your right strategy. Okay, so this should be your right strategy to prepare for the English and Odia if you are really, if you really want to crack this highly competitive exam. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe this channel if you have not subscribed, give a like and press the bell icon so that you will get my regular updates and the lessons being uploaded by me in the channel. So thanks a lot, thank you so much. Stay safe, stay healthy, use mask, sanitizer, avoid social gathering. May God bless you. Thanks a lot.